What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. By the start of this video, you guys already know what we're about to do. Today we're going to be going to Adam's Motorsports. I'm going to be drifting my 350Z, which I've already taken there a few times, but finally started to start recording and putting back some YouTube videos. So, but before we do that, we have some things we have to get done on the car, right? Right here in front of me, basically most body panels for the car. Just finished painting all of these yesterday at like 1 in the morning. Here's the car right here. So before we could go to the track, we have to put everything back together. I have to be at the track in like 5 hours. So, and I haven't done my nut and bolt check. Haven't looked over the car from the last time I took it to track. So it's gonna be an eventful day. So here's the paint job I did. Didn't come out the greatest, especially this front and the door. They might look a little better after a wet sand and a polish, but here's the main part I messed up on. You guys see these right here? All these 4 patches, actually 5, one right here, and there's one up top there too. So as some of you guys know, some 350Z's hatches come with a little spoiler, factory spoiler that has holes in it, right? So I wanted to, I saw one 350Z that had a shaved trunk that looked pretty smooth, and I kind of like that. So I thought I'd give it a shot and see. I don't know, I want to try it out. So I did it, but it was kind of rushed because, as you guys can tell, I pushed myself into a corner and I have to paint everything in 2 days. So I can go to the track, but yeah. So I tried to fill them up. I went to this store or a paint supply store that I go to, and they recommended this material. Anyway, so the mainline came by, but what I was saying is the paint supply store I went to recommended this metal filler material that I used for these holes. This is what it's called, metal to metal. I guess it's like Bondo, but it's a lot stronger. That's why, because the holes are like, for the spoiler, they're about like a size of a quarter. So they said this would probably work a lot better, but like I said, since it was rushed, you know, it didn't come out the way I wanted it to. But I did put the glass on, so that's there. I'm gonna start putting the car together. I think I'm gonna start with the door, maybe. It's probably gonna be the easy, or not the easiest. I have to take off the fender to get the door in. So I'm gonna do that. And okay, so start with the fender. I'm gonna have to pull out the bumper regardless because I wanna, like I said, I wanna jack up the car and do a bolt check on everything, make sure everything is good. And yeah. Okay, so it's all taken apart. Took the bumper off, fender, door. That's what it looks like right now. And time's now 1:30. I have to be at the track at 6 p.m., which means I have to leave the house at 5:30. So yeah, I don't think it's gonna take me long to put it together, but let's get started. Set up my GoPro right here. And we're gonna do a little quick time lapse of me putting this thing back together, and we'll see how it looks. Can't wait to see it all one color. here it is, put back for the most part. However, I did put the side skirts and the front bumper back on, just because I'm gonna lift it up right now and do my nut and bolt check. And after that, we should be all good to go. But yeah, I mean, you can kind of see the color difference. It's not the best, you know, color match or whatever. But I'm just happy it's, you know, all one color. Or kind of almost, kind of all one color. But yeah, so here it is. And next I'm gonna probably do a cut and buff so I can get rid of the orange peel on a new paint. And then yeah, so I'm gonna raise it up, do my nut and bolt check, pack up everything, and we'll head to the track. All right, so here she is. It's all done. I'm all ready, everything's packed up, and we're gonna be heading to the track right now. But yeah, I'm running kind of late, but yes, we're on our way. All right, so we are here at Adams. Waiting, unfortunately, but we're gonna make the best out of it. I'm about to go in for my first lap. Yeah, so hopefully the GoPro footage is not too dark for you guys, but we'll make the best of it.